Welcome to AI Rasoi by Sam, where AI brings delicious recipes to life. From simple ingredients to irresistible creations, let's make something amazing. Want crispy, chocolatey cookies without eggs or Maida? These delicious ragi cookies are super easy to make. For this recipe, we need ragi flour, rice flour, powdered sugar, butter, chocolate chips, vanilla, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. First, add softened butter and powdered sugar to a bowl and beat until light and creamy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix well for a beautiful aroma. Now add ragi flour, rice flour, baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix gently, combine everything into a soft dough. If needed, add a little milk, 1 teaspoon at a time. Don't overmix. Fold in generous chocolate chips because every bite should be perfectly chocolatey. Take small portions, roll them into balls, and gently flatten them into cookie shapes. Place them on a lined baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. They'll look slightly soft when they come out, but don't worry. Let them cool completely. They become beautifully crisp. Make these easy eggless ragi cookies at home and enjoy a delicious homemade treat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.